On today's episode of John's Chores, we're going to brighten up the garage. I bought a new light for the garage. It is called the, let's see if I can get it up here, Deformable lamp. Don't know if I love the name, but as you can see in the picture, it's supposed to be this folding lamp, and I think you can have it'll fold different ways. So what I want to do is replace the light up there, as you can the light right there, and see what we can do. I've got an LED in there. It's fairly bright. It lights up the garage pretty well, but I think this light will light up the garage even more, and probably more evenly. So it's just a standard box here. So this is the product. Looks like these fold down or fold up. So, and then it has this little protective deal. Just a standard block. So. All right, I'm gonna go install this. Sketchy about that. Let's see how this thing goes on. Yeah. Actually, it's a much nicer color of light. I'm not sure if it's brighter. That's kind of nice. Alright. So I know it's hard to see. It looks like a lot of light coming from just those, but it actually is putting a much better light around the garage. It's pretty even too. So I think we'll do that. Oh. So it's meant for a 60 watt interface. And that's what that's rated for, I believe. So we'll try it out. I'll check back in a few weeks, see if we like it or not, or if we just go back to that guy. Anyways, I got this on sale for like 26 bucks. I'll put a link to it on Amazon. I think it's normally 50 something. I'm not sure it's worth 50 something, but for sure, I'll try it out, let you know. Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit the buttons you're supposed to hit, and go get a chore done. Bye. So this is nighttime. This is just a little garage light. You can see, I mean, it's lit. I can kind of get around. Now, I'm going to flip on the sun as this car goes by. And you can tell the difference. So here's where it's kind of shadowy. Look at that. It's going to take a second for the camera to adjust, but look at that difference. Seriously. Off. On. Yeah. Takes a second for the camera to catch up, but oh my gosh. So, definitely, I definitely recommend these lights. I've had it only a day, but wow. What a difference. Anyways, go get a chore done. Bye. Oh, it came with an extra charging cable, I guess. USB. Oh, it came with a little USB light too. Interesting. We'll try that out too. So this thing came with a little extra light, USB light. I went ahead and just cut open the package. Let's see here. Okay, so this came with an extra light. I just took it out of the package. I showed you in the previous video. I just got my little Anchor light here. Let's plug it in and see how bright this is. Not bad. I mean, not sure it's super bright, but probably be a nice nighttime light. Lights up my dog okay. Let's take a little walk here. Let's go to the bathroom. Kind of dark in there. Let's see. So I don't have the lights on in the bathroom, and actually, not a bad little light. So, sorry it's echoey. But you can see the lights are not on up there. All that's powering is that. So that's not bad. So without the light, give it a second. With the light, anyways, thanks for watching, and subscribe and go get a chore done. Bye.